Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Setting up Python environment with conda in Visual Studio Code. Introduction. Visual Studio Code, vscode, is a popular code editor among developers due to its versatility and extensibility. When working with Python, managing environments becomes crucial for project isolation and dependency management. Conda is a package and environment manager widely used in the Python ecosystem. This tutorial will guide you through setting up a Python environment with conda in VS Code. Prerequisites. Steps. Install conda. If you haven't installed conda yet, download and install Miniconda or Anaconda from its official website. Open VS Code, launch Visual Studio Code on your system. Install Python extension. Open the extensions view by clicking on the square icon on the sidebar or pressing ctrl+shift+x, then search for Python and install the official Python extension provided by Microsoft. Open a project or create a new one. You can open an existing Python project or create a new one. Open the folder containing your Python project in VS Code. Select Interpreter, press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette, then type Python, select Interpreter and choose conda from the list. VS Code will detect conda environments available on your system and list them. Create a new conda environment. Optional. If you want to create a new conda environment, you can do so using either the VS Code terminal or the Anaconda prompt. Here's an example command to create a new environment named myenv. Activate the environment. Activate the conda environment you want to use. You can do this by selecting it from the status bar at the bottom left corner of VS Code, where it says Python x.x, conda, myenv. Install dependencies. If your project has dependencies listed in a requirements.txt file, you can install them using pip or conda in the VS Code terminal. For example, configure run and debug. Create a launch.json file in your .vscode folder if it doesn't already exist. Configure it to run or debug your Python scripts within the selected conda environment. Here's an example configuration. Start coding. You're now all set up to start coding in your Python project using the conda environment within Visual Studio Code. Conclusion. Setting up a Python environment with conda in Visual Studio Code is essential for managing dependencies and ensuring consistency across different projects. By following this tutorial, you can seamlessly integrate conda with VS Code and enhance your Python development experience. ChatGPT.